Unboxing video. After receiving the product, open the packaging box. Inside, you will find a protective foam cushioning layer. Remove the foam cover. The top layer includes the precautions for installing the strip light. Product User Manual. Inside the left box, power adapter. Power line. Product remote control. Press the latch at the bottom back and pull out to replace the battery. Wall mount bracket and screw kit. The larger screws are for the bracket, and the smaller screws are for securing the device. Inside the right box, main unit. The main unit has 4A and B slots. Insert the corresponding 4A and B strip lights into them. Each slot has latches on both sides. Press both sides down simultaneously to install or remove the strip lights. This is the power input socket. The lock hole is located at the bottom. There are 2A and B strip lights on each side of the box. To be strip lights. To a strip lights. Blade assembly. Removed from the package, 1 main unit for blades to Type A blades, 2 Type B blades. Locate the A and B slots on the main unit. A slot opposite a slot. B slot opposite B slot. Each slot has clips on both sides. Locate the A blade and a slot. Press both side latches and insert the A blade into the A slot. Lead beads facing outward. Insert an A blade into the opposite A slot in the same manner. Locate the B blade and B slot. Press both side latches and insert the B blade into the B slot, lead beads facing outward. Insert an B blade into the opposite B slot in the same manner. Gently pull each blade outward. If it does not move, it has been installed correctly.